Hello grade 1! By now you've all received your math take-home kits, and today we're going to talk about what's inside your kit. First we have these 100 flats, and here we have 10 tens or 100 ones, and they go along with our 10 rods and our ones cubes. And these are called place value blocks, and they will help us as we learn about place value this year. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Next we have counters. And the counters are two-sided. They're really helpful when we're filling up a 10 frame, or when we're just counting. We could be adding on or taking away, learning so many different addition and subtraction strategies this year, and these counters will be very helpful. We also will learn about money. And in this bag we have different types of coins that you can use while you're at home learning about money. So they have different colors and sizes and values. We have a 50-cent piece, a 25-cent coin, a 10-cent coin, a 5-cent coin, and a penny, a 1-cent coin. So you'll get to learn about what these are called and what their values are. It'll be really fun to have this set all of your own at home. Next up we have these tangrams, we call them, and they're a bag of really fun different colored size shapes. And let's see, we have a triangle, a hexagon, a parallelogram or a rhombus, a square, a trapezoid, and another parallelogram or rhombus. This can also be a rhombus. Super fun, and we can even put them together on top of each other and talk about patterns that they make, and super fun. Next up are these cubes. We'll use these a lot this year for our adding and subtraction strategies. They come in 5 colors and stacks of 10, and we can take them apart and put them back together. And it's really cool that you guys have a set of these at home to call your own. We're going to be using these a lot this year. And then last are our dice. And these are blank dice, and these are going to come in handy when we're playing games in first grade. And they're blank, so depending on the game we might label them using different numbers. So you can replace the stickers once you put them on by pulling them off, or you can stick them right on top of the old one. But we'll be using these this year as we play lots of fun math games. So all of our stuff is yours for home. Hope you have a great time with it. Don't forget to use these math manipulatives, and when you're done with them you can put them back in your bag, keep them in a safe place at home, and they make math a lot of fun. Have a great year.